Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Carmos, also known as the Filipino Planner. Our topic for today is about how to estimate activity duration in Primavera 6 using productivity rate part 4. But first of all, we are going to define the difference between duration, unit, and productivity rate. Duration is the amount of time that is required to complete the scope of work of an activity. Unit is the amount of work required to complete the scope of work of an activity. The above definitions are almost similar except time and work. Therefore, productivity rate is the amount of output produced in an hour of work, or simply, productivity rate is equal to unit divided by duration. To estimate the activity duration in Primavera, we are going to use productivity rate. Every construction company have their own productivity rate. Usually, in the construction project, the client will put a deadline to complete the project based on the construction contract. So the planning engineer or planning manager should prepare a project schedule based on the completion date in the contract. We should balance the activity duration to match the deadline date. Now, we are going to calculate the activity duration for the activity 40, which is reinforced concrete putting. So in this tutorial, we are going to use the detailed unit price analysis in determining the duration in every activities. So detailed unit price analysis is usually used in a government project in the Philippines. For item description for reinforced concrete putting, they use a structural concrete of 27.58 megapascal or 4,000 psi. So the total quantity for reinforced concrete putting, let me check here in our data sheet. So for reinforced concrete putting, for isolated putting 175 cubic and mat foundation of 175 cubic equivalent to 350 cubic. So the output per hour or productivity rate is equivalent to 1.4 cubic meter per hour. So the duration for this activity is equivalent to the total unit quantity, which is 350 cubic, divided by productivity rate of 1.4 cubic meter per hour is equal to 250 hours or 31.25 days. For concrete pouring or putting, we need a 1 crew labor composed of 1 foreman, 4 skilled laborer, and 8 semi-skilled laborer. For installation and removal of forms, we need 4 skilled laborer and 8 semi-skilled laborer. And also, this is the equipment needed to complete this activity. Transit mixer with the capacity of 5 cubic meter, concrete vibrator 2, concrete pump 1, and also the material, ready mix concrete of 4,000 psi for 28 days, form lumber, phenolic plywood, assorted CW nail. It also shown here the direct and indirect costs, which is overhead contingencies and miscellaneous, contractor's profit, value added tax, and this is the total cost in pesos per cubic meter. Based on our computation, the duration days for activity 40, which is reinforced concrete putting, are 31.25 days or 32 days. I'm going to complete all the duration of all the activity based on productivity rate in each item of work. I already completed all the activity duration using detailed unit price analysis in each activity. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next lesson on how to links and define activity relationship. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please click the notification bell to inform you for the next video. Thank you.